She's jumping. She's gonna fly away. Excited.
Yes. Secret, secret. No, how do I do it?
There's like a button.
Ah!
It's not gonna snap. What are you talking about? Just hold the button down and pull.
Yeah, can you see it? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hi, I got Labubu. Then I have LV that I wanted. Let's do Labubu first. Okay. One is already open.
Oh my god!
Yes, come in. It's okay, you can come in.
What did you buy?
Begin to Energy collection.
Newest series from Labubu.
Newest city, really? So I have pink one.
That one's actually red.
It's red.
Yeah. Look at this little guy.
And that's like.
That's so cute. Name is Love.
So this is authentic. So the lady said there's a QR code that you can check.
This is the one that you have right now. Be careful, G.
Yeah. How's it?
Let me see.
No, how do I do it?
There's like a button.
Ah!
Gee, it's not gonna snap. What are you talking about? Just hold the button down and pull it.
Chic.
You excited?
Yes.
Ready?
Ah,
Yeah, can you see it?
I picked one.
This one.
Secret, secret.
No, they have.
It's different.
It is different.
Yeah, this is different. What?
Wait, should I peek at what sticker? No, but it's. Oh, look how cute it is!
Oh
My
my
God.
God.
It's a. Look at the tooth.
Oh my god.
Luck.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Purple one.
Oh my god. This is what my niece wanted. Hope. Hope?
Toenails that are painted.
Yeah, yeah.
Ears.
Ears are different. Like,
And the eyes are sparkly.
and then the
Yeah. Excited.
That's so cute. Look. Hey, do you want this color? You wanna open yours now? Hey, open it now.
Hi, little baby.
So I got three. So it's called Happiness.
You came around all this time. You're the only reason I'm not chasing highs.
Yeah. So we got purple. We got this. We got this.
Is that green?
Is this green? Oh, this is green.
Oh, that's.
Oh.
I thought.
The name.
Loyalty.
Oh, that's me.
Look at this.
Loyalty and luck.
Ooh.
I put gloves for ears.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh. Mine.
Click.
Oh, I see. Johnny.
And this one, like this side and that side, and then coin, bing. Welcome to LV World. Definitely this.
Yeah. She's jumping. She's gonna fly away. You can put it on. Oh my goodness gracious. That's my tummy.
Your tummy is freaking
My
out.
tummy is freaking out. Are you kidding me right now? Kidding me right now?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is just too good. Oh my god.